Blender is an amazing 3D modeling package. What's more, it's absolutely free. However, like many powerful packages, you may find it can be difficult to know where to start. There are so many options to understand and master that I'm sure many people who like to learn 3D modeling take one look at the Blender interface and just give up. What we are offering here is a set of videos that tackle the learning process for Blender in a clear and organized way. And there is also an accompanying free PDF book whose contents matches that of the videos. A new section of the book is released with every new video. The videos start from the assumption that you know absolutely nothing about either Blender or 3D modeling. That's why the first couple of videos explain the basic concepts and the steps involved in creating a finished 3D model without discussing Blender in any detail. Every video also comes with a proper set of subtitles, not a computer-generated one. So, if you can't stand the AI-generated voice or you're watching in a public place, you can always switch off the sound. I should say at this point that the aim of the videos is not to show how to create very complex 3D models, though they will be creating many simpler ones. Instead, they are designed to teach you how to use the most important parts of the Blender interface and to take you through the stages in creating a final still scene and animation. With that knowledge, you will be able to watch some of the amazing modeling videos that already exist on YouTube and understand exactly the steps they are taking to create their finished models. Currently, the plan is to publish one video every week along with its PDF pages. You'll find the pages on our website. If you have any constructive comments to add about either the videos or the book pages, you can email me at the address shown above. The next part of this video explains the conventions used by the videos when representing mouse button presses, mouse drags and keyboard entries. It also talks briefly about the menus and input fields you'll encounter in Blender itself. When the left mouse button is clicked, this is shown as a yellow circle over the mouse pointer. When the right mouse button is clicked, a blue circle is used. As the video series progresses, these are replaced by animated circles which use the same color conventions. When the mouse pointer is dragged, you'll see a representation of the mouse button being held down. When one or more keys are held down and another key pressed, the key combination will be shown in a single box. When keys are pressed one after the other, each key is shown separately. The one exception to this is when a multi-digit number is entered. In that case, the keys pressed are shown in a single box. A convention used by Blender itself is how to enter values in a numeric data field. When we are setting up and editing our scene, it is often necessary to adjust existing numeric values such as the size of a mesh or the brightness of a light. Various panels exist which contain fields where we can make these changes. We can enter values into these numeric fields in 4 different ways. The first and most obvious way is simply to type in the new value from the keyboard. The second is to treat the field as if it were a slider and drag the mouse pointer over it to either increase or decrease the existing value. A third option is to click on the arrow buttons on either side of the value. These increment or decrement the value by a fixed amount. The final way to enter our value is as an arithmetic expression. For example, a value can be entered as 1 divided by 12 rather than 0.083333. Blender will automatically perform the necessary calculation. All 4 basic arithmetic operators can be used in the expression. Use the standard plus and minus signs for addition and subtraction, the / for division and the asterisk for multiplication. You'll find a link to the first training video above.